So, most people know how to make a 4-sided or 8-sided snowflake. However, when water freezes and crystallizes, it actually makes a 6-sided crystal. And so today I'm going to teach you how to make a 6-sided snowflake. I want to start with a square piece of paper and fold it diagonally to make a triangle, and then fold it again to make a triangle, and then open it up. This part's a little tricky. What you want to do is take the two sides and fold them over each other so that they cross just about at the center line. And you want a nice sharp point at the top. It is a little tricky. And then this whole shape you want to fold down that center line again, trying to get the point as flat as possible. And now we're ready to cut. The first thing we need to do is cut off these ends that aren't symmetrical. I like to cut them in a semicircle shape. It gives a nice point and kind of looks like a star when it's opened up. And then we cut off the tip to make a center. Now you don't have to cut off the tip, you could cut around it. It doesn't really matter what you do. I like to cut off the tip. And then you can just start cutting in from both sides. There are different ways of cutting, and you'll learn new ways every time, because like a snowflake in real snow, 6-sided snowflakes are all different every time. I like to do the heart shape. I want to use a little pair of scissors. These are probably the biggest you would want to use unless you're doing very big snowflakes. It's hard to cut little shapes. Little folding Chinese scissors work really well. See if I can get a little one in there. Sometimes the little cuts are dangerous because you can cut right through and then you wreck your snowflake. So then we can open it up a little bit to see how the cuts are looking. If we like them, fold it back up. The longer cuts are nice into the bigger part of the paper. And then you can also cut into those bigger parts or out from those bigger parts. And maybe one from the bottom. We'll see what that looks like. And I could probably cut some more, but let's open it up and see what it looks like here. Nice. And there we have a 6-sided snowflake. So here are a few different forms of this 6-sided snowflake made by different people of different ages. This shows that there are many different techniques of cutting, and they're all lovely. This one you can see hasn't been cut out in the middle and not so much cutting along the edges. These ones have some fine detail around the inside, little triangle cuts. And then you have some longer triangle cuts that are actually cut right into it. If you fold the snowflake back up, you can see how they were cut again. And those nice little triangle cuts around the outside, feather-like, make quite nice detail.
Just saying, it's beautiful. Tell them why I think it's
Nice little cuts on that one. If we fold them up and see different cuts taking place here. So it's always nice as you're cutting to open them up and have a look
And I want to have so
as you're doing.
Down the hills we go, laughing all the way home.
Oh yeah, there's all kinds of nice.
Making